Now to make your own list of colleges, take a paper and write these details. Some basic details can you see on this paper, right? Your grade 10 percentage, your caste, your dream college, your location, your stream and your fees budget, so that you have clarity about your details when you're making college list. And make a template like you can see below in the paper. Can you see there are a couple of informations? First column is order, second one college name, and the third one is fees. Next column you will write the distance, and the next column is it aided or unaided, and the last column you are going to write cutoff. So this is how your paper
dream college
should
is
look
Fergusson
like,
College,
and
I
then you
have
can begin
listed
with
my
making
first
your
choice college
10
as
choice
Fergusson
college
College.
list.
And I have put some more details here. I found most of this details from iTeach CMT. You can use the other apps also. Grade 11th website has a lot of these details. You can find your fees, distance and other details from there also. You can find the distance from your home to the college from Google Map.
And my next 4 college is going to be ambitious cutoff, which means the range is going to be 72 to 81 percentage. So I'm going to apply filter accordingly. 72 percentage to 81%. I'm moving it. Okay, all right, so it's almost the same range. I have selected 72 to 81. You don't have to very strict with this number. One number here and there is okay. So right now can you see I have 80 colleges here, right? Within this range I'm going to apply some more filter. So I'm going to put filter for science, because this is what I want. Right now I have some 47 colleges, right? And let me see if is there any aided college available. Okay, there are 15 aided colleges in this range for open category. So let me choose my 4 colleges, any 4 colleges which I like based on the distance, fees amount, and the quality of the college and the college ratings. I'm going to choose. Let me look at the highly recommended colleges and see if any highly recommended colleges are available. Oh wow, there is one college which is highly recommended and is available in this filter. So I'm going to write my next college as Wadia College. Next choice college will be Wadia College, and then let me look at some more not recommended. Sorry, I won't choose not recommended at all, but I might choose recommended one also. Okay, right now I don't see any other college other than Wadia College, right? So which means I will have to remove some of the filters to see more colleges here. So I'm going to remove these 2 filters and choose colleges from here. Now I have a long list of colleges and I'm going to choose my next 4 colleges.
And here is how I have shortlisted my 5 colleges out of 10 college in the list. And now I'm going to apply filter for realistic college, and I list my last 5 colleges of the list.
And now I want to apply for a filter for realistic cutoff. My realistic cutoff is going to be 62% to 72%. So I'm moving my dot to 62%. Okay, 62% to 72%. 72%. Okay, all right, but there is a problem. Within this filter I get only one option, but I need at least 5 colleges right now, right? So I'm going to make some changes into this filter. So can you see I have applied filter for aided. Now I won't necessarily look for aided, I'm going to look for unaided colleges also. Okay, right now I have 31 colleges available, and now it's very easy to choose any 4 colleges that I like out of 34. That I can travel to any of these colleges by bus. and fees is within fees. I am sure that I can pay these fees. There is only one college whose fees is very high, is Don Bosco. If I get that college, I have a plan. I can pay this college in installments. I can pay this college fees in installments, and the rest of the colleges, I really hope that I get any of the colleges in the list of first 5, so that I don't have any problem. Even if I get any colleges which are not in top 5 of my list, I will have a chance to apply to any other colleges. But the only thing, if I get my first choice college, I won't have an option to apply for the next round.